Greetings, shivering denizens! Let's take a dive into healing today. Our meditation, Mend Your Path, mixes calming breaths, a quick body check-in, and a vivid journey to smooth out life's rough spots. Whether you're in recovery or just looking to lighten your load, this is your moment to find peace. Grab a cozy spot, shake off the day, and let's start this uplifting experience together, leading into a powerful reflection on growth and connection. Let's find a comfortable position, sitting in a chair, on a cushion, or laying down, wherever you feel supported. Let your body settle, feeling the surface beneath you, holding you steady. If it feels right, close your eyes gently or keep your gaze soft and low. Take a slow breath in through your nose, feeling your chest expand, and exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension. One more time. Inhale deeply and exhale, easing into this moment with your attention on your breath, noticing its natural rhythm. Each inhale is a fresh start. Each exhale, a chance to release. As you breathe, scan your body briefly. Start at your feet. Notice any sensations, warmth, weight. Let them relax. Move to your shoulders. Feel any tightness, and let it soft with your next exhale. Next, rest at your heart, sensing its steady beat. Let it be calm, open, and ready for this journey. Now, picture yourself standing on a path, your path through life. It's a trail you've walked for years. Stones, cracks, patches where you've stumbled. These imperfections represent moments where you've acted out of self-will. Maybe hurting others or hurting yourself. You don't need to name everyone. Just see the path, noticing a crack or a stone that feels heavy, like a moment you wish you could mend. With your next breath, imagine a small tool in your hand, a brush, a trowel, or even just your hands. Inhale, gathering strength. Exhale, and gently begin to mend one part of the path. Smoothing a crack, moving a stone aside. Say to yourself, I'm willing to repair what I can. Feel the path becoming a little smoother. Not perfect, but clearer. Each breath helps you. Work gently, letting go of the need to control everything. Picture others on this path. People you know, people you've crossed paths with. See them as they are, worthy and human, just like you. As you mend another small part of the path, say, I open myself to healing connections. Inhale, feeling their presence supporting you. Exhale, releasing any old weight that keeps you stuck. You are not alone in this work. If thoughts of guilt or regret arise, let them pass like clouds moving across the sky. Return to your breath and the act of mending. Inhale, feeling a quiet strength grow. Exhale, seeing the path open up, leading towards peace. This mending isn't about fixing everything at once. It's about showing up, being willing, taking one small step. Stay with this image for a moment and see your path. It's a little smoother now. It stretches out forward. Feel the support beneath you, the ground, the people in your life, the quiet wisdom guiding you. Each breath, each small act of mending is a step toward freedom, towards a heart at ease. Take another deep breath, really deep, filling yourself with calm. And then exhale slowly as you can, picturing your path, steady and open. Stay where you are, both calm and present, while we transition into the reflection for the day. Today's reflection, Repairing the Damage, from Alcoholics Anonymous, page 76, centres on the 8th step's call to clear the wreckage of our self-centred past. It says, we attempt to sweep away the debris which has accumulated out of our effort to live on self-will and run the show ourselves. For me, making a list of those I'd harmed wasn't the hardest part. My 4th step already showed me the face is tied to my resentments and retaliations. The real challenge was finding the willingness to take responsibility, not just for my actions, but for my recovery. This step isn't about expecting others to fix their wrongs. It's about standing clean before my higher power, knowing I've done my part to make amends. If the will feels shaky, we keep asking for it, remembering our commitment to go to any lengths for sobriety. Today, let's ask, am I ready to clear my side of the street? That's the path to true freedom. Thanks for joining me again today, and I look forward to greeting you again tomorrow.